Rob Burnham, aka Preacher Man R&B, and this is another episode of Retro Lane Comics. This time I'm doing another episode of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle reviews. This time we're reviewing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Season 3, Episode 43. What happens on this week's episode is the Turtles wish that they was never mutated. So what happens is this wish comes true and they go to another world called Shredderville where the Turtles was never mutated and there's no mutants, or everybody hates mutants and they're racist against the mutants and Shredder's ruling Shredderville and this whole thing. So the Turtles got to try to figure out how to get back home, and they wind up doing this and going back home, and they stop the racism that's happened toward mutants in Shredderville before they do that. But other than that, that's all that really happened. My question for y'all is, now that the Turtles are back to their home, what's going to happen next? As always, Rob Burnham, make your Preacher Man R&B sign out. Guys, GG's awesome. This has been an episode of Retro Comics.